Hey guys, so here's the reading and writing lesson with the article, The Girl with Olympic Dreams. We're going to go over the vocabulary first. Remember, I always tell you, you can listen to the vocabulary and then go back and listen to the article before we answer the questions. So here we go. Our first vocabulary word is Olympics, a sport a sports event that happens every 4 years. People all over the world compete. There are Summer Olympics and Winter Olympics. Medals. At the Olympics, the winners get medals. Medals are awards made out of metal. The winners can wear them around their necks like necklaces. Motivated, having a reason to work hard or to do something. Sky is motivated to be a great skateboarder. Inspire. When you inspire people, you make them feel like they can do something such as make a change for the better. These kids inspire people to help others. Okay, so I want you to look over here. I have a couple more vocabulary words. Compete, to try to win. When I was in 5th grade, I competed in a race where I ran. Athletes, someone really good in sports or field events. Athletes are people that run, people that play soccer, baseball, football, swimmers. Those are athletes. Contest. People compete, remember, try to win. People compete in an activity or sport. So you can compete for, sometimes in class, remember, we would compete when we would do our vocabulary words. We would say team A and team B. So you would compete for who could spell the most vocabulary words correctly. Those are all competing because you are trying to win. So those are contests. Contests are when you compete, when people compete for something. Okay, so now we're going to be looking at our reading checkpoint. Oops, that's not it. That's our writing. Our reading checkpoint. So number 1, what is the article mostly about? So if you read the article and just by looking at the title page, we can see the girl with Olympic dreams. What can that be mostly about? What is the main idea? A girl named Sky who needs to clean her room. What? You're not talking about that. B, a girl named Sky who is learning how to skateboard. Or C, a girl named Sky who might skateboard in the Olympics. So if you chose C, you're right. We were talking about Olympics, a girl who might skateboard in the Olympics, compete, right? Number 2, this year would be the blank time skateboarding is in the Olympics. So we're going to look at subheadings. Let's go back into the article and see if it's her first time, 5th time, or 10th time. Where's her? Here it is. So let's look at the subheadings. Sky the skateboarder. Inside the Olympics. Well, we're talking about how many times she has, what's the question? Let's go back real quick. So what year will be the blank time skateboarding is in the Olympics? So we're talking about the Olympics. So that's giving us a clue, right? Inside the Olympics. Sky skills. Sky in the Olympics. No, we're talking about inside the Olympics here. So our answer must be around here. The Summer Olympics are held every 4 years. Athletes from around the world compete in different sports. The best athletes win medals. This year, for the first time ever, skateboarding is going to be one of the sports in the Olympics. Here we go. We found our answer. It is the first time. So let's go back. A, B, or C? First, 5th, or 10th? A, We found out that it's the first time skateboarding is in the Olympics. 3. This article says Sky is motivated. What is one sentence that shows that this is true? So, keyword, right? Our keyword is motivated. That's one of our bold words in the article. Motivated. What makes Sky such a great skateboarder? She is motivated. That means she works hard to try new things and get better. When Sky wants to learn a new move, she teaches herself. She watches videos online to learn about new tricks. Then she tries them. I think that should answer our question. So, A, motivate. What is one sentence that shows this is true? A, Sky is a world-class skateboarder. B, the best athletes win medals. Or C, when Sky wants to learn a new move, she teaches herself. When you're motivated, which one do you think it is? Which sentence shows that this is true? So we read in the article that C, when she wants to learn, when she wants to learn a new move, she teaches herself. So if you chose C, you are right. Let's go on to number 4. Number 4. What is Sky wearing in the pictures on page 2 to help her stay safe? We're going to look at the pictures and we're going to eliminate the answers that we know are not there, that the picture's not showing us. So, if we can look at this picture right here really close, right? Okay, I'm going to read while you look at the pictures. A hard hat. Yes, she does have a hard hat. Gloves. Does she have gloves? No, she doesn't have gloves. So we can eliminate A. B, a helmet. Yes. Knee pads. Check. Those are there. And elbow pads. Does she have elbow pads? Yes, she does. That one seems to be the right answer. But let's look at C just to make sure. C says a helmet. Yes. Snow boots. No, she doesn't have snow boots, so we can eliminate that one. So we're left with B. If you answered B, you are right. Number 5. Why do you think the author wrote this article? So the author's purpose. So we know that the title is The Girl with Olympic Dreams. We learned about her competing. We learned that she's an athlete and that she's in this she wants to be in that Olympic contest. So let's see. Why do you think the author wrote this article? Remember, bring everything that you know about the article together to try to figure out which one is the reason why the article wrote this, the purpose. A, to try to convince readers to watch the Olympics on TV. Were you convinced to watch the Olympics? Maybe you want to watch it now, but that's not the reason he wrote the article. B, to tell readers about a girl who might skateboard in the Olympics. Or C, to try to convince the reader to start skateboarding. Is he convincing you to try to start skateboarding? No, right? So if you chose B, you are right. The author's purpose is to tell readers about a girl who might skateboard in the Olympics. Okay, now guys, we're going to go into our writing lesson. So for our writing lesson, I want you to look at the word work page. And we're going to answer the questions about the vocabulary words, and we're also going to draw a picture. So for number 1, why is Sky Brown motivated? What is Sky Brown motivated to do? We know what motivation means because it was one of our vocabulary words, right? When you inspire people to do things, or when you show people something that you do to make them want to do something for the better. So let's see. So is it quit skateboarding? You think she is motivated to quit skateboarding? No. To learn new tricks? To do the same tricks over and over again? What is she motivated? Remember, that is to do something better for the better. If you said learn new tricks, that is right. Number 2, what is something you are motivated to do? Draw a picture. So I want to show you a picture that I drew. So I am motivated to go hiking. Hiking, I can hike mountains, I can hike rocks, or I can climb rocks. But I want to go hiking. So I want to motivate people to go hiking. And I drew my little mountain, and that's me with my backpack and my stick, because I am motivated to go hiking. I love to go into the nature, and I love to have some peace with trees. So you can choose your own motivation. You can be motivated to dance, to write poems, or to write stories, to sing, to go bicycling, to play basketball, to run. Maybe you play chess. There are other games you can play. Skate. You're motivated to jump very high, or to do jump roping, or gymnastics. These are just some. Of course, there's many, many more things you might be motivated to do. I want you to think about something you love to do, that you're motivated to do, and I want you to draw a picture. Take a picture of it and send it to me. I'd love to know what you're motivated about. Now, number 3, let's look at number 3. Sky wants to inspire other kids by competing in the Olympics. She wants to inspire. That means she wants to give other kids the same feeling as her, that she likes to skateboard. So she wants to show you, look, I can do it. So if I can do it, you can do something that you love to do. So what is something you would like to inspire other kids to do? Something that you love to do, and you want to show other kids, look at what I do, what I can do. What about you? So here I wrote the question, and then I wrote a sentence frame to start you off. What is something you would like to inspire other kids to do, and why? I would like to inspire kids to, because, so if it were me, because I love hiking, I would say I would inspire kids to go hiking because it is very peaceful in the woods, or because it is great exercise. You can have your reasons why. You can say, I would like to inspire kids to dance because I love music and I love moving to the beat. Okay, so there's different reasons that you can use. So I think this is it. I want you to take a picture when you're done, and you can send it to my email, gonzalezna@springfieldpublicschools.com, or obviously Dojo. You can send it through Dojo. All right, guys. So I miss you guys, and I'll see you guys later.